Torque. Torque is a measure of the force that can cause an object to rotate about an axis. Just as force is what causes an object to accelerate in linear kinematics, torque is what causes an object to acquire angular acceleration. Torque is a vector quantity. The direction of the torque vector depends on the direction of the force on the axis. Now, consider force required to open a door. Is it easier to open the door by pushing or pulling away from the hinge or close to the hinge? Now, taking the door in the video as an example, we can see that the doorknob is placed furthest from the hinges, and when the force is applied on the doorknob, the torque value is 1 Newton meters. But as we can see, when the force applied is going further from the doorknob, which means it's going closer to the hinges, the value of torque is decreasing. Torque is also defined as force times distance. So larger the distance from the hinge, larger the torque, and hence it is easier to open the door. This helps us to understand that it is easier to open the door by pushing away from the hinge. To further explain this, from a distance close to the hinge, the angular acceleration of the door is less than it would be from a distance further from the hinge, assuming the same force is applied in both cases. Therefore, if you rotate the door a certain amount by pushing on the door close to the hinge, it will take less force, making it easier to rotate the door the same amount if you push on it further away, as the acceleration will be higher with less force when the force is applied further away from the hinge. So that's it. I hope everyone enjoyed and understood this video about the torque acting on the door. So that's it, and stay tuned for the next video that I upload.